GoPro is gearing up to reveal its eagerly anticipated Hero 13. Enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting its debut, sparking widespread speculation about its potential features. Faced with competition from rivals like DJI and Insta360, GoPro must innovate to maintain its position. The Hero 13 is expected to address past shortcomings while introducing new features to remain at the forefront. Let's explore what the GoPro Hero may offer, its potential release timeline, and the buzz surrounding it. As per certain sources, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is slated for release on September 15, 2024. GoPro maintains a steady pattern with its yearly product launches, leaving little room for speculation. Anticipated to boast cutting-edge features, it promises to elevate your adventure photography experience to new heights. While official details remain scarce, speculation abounds regarding the potential features of the Hero 13. Among the anticipated specs are the ability to shoot video in 5K at 30 frames per second or 4K at an impressive 120 frames per second. The pictures might also look better with more detail, and the camera might be better at keeping things steady. Improved picture quality could be on the horizon with photos reaching up to 32 megapixels, alongside enhanced image stabilization, extended battery life, and waterproofing capabilities up to 10 meters deep. Plus, it might last longer on a single battery charge and be waterproof even deeper underwater. People are especially excited about the camera's stabilization feature, which helps keep videos looking smooth even when you're moving a lot. They think the new version, called Hypersmooth 7.0, could be even better than what's out there now. The current iteration, Hypersmooth 6.0, already boasts features like auto boost and horizon leveling, even during 360-degree movements. There's also talk about a new processor, like a computer chip, that could make the camera work faster and better overall. Some folks are hoping the Hero 13 will be better at taking pictures in low light and might even be able to take really high-quality photos and videos in the dark. People are also hoping they can use the GoPro as a dash cam, especially when it's plugged into a car's power. It would be handy for recording while driving, and they're wishing for a mount that can do everything, like holding the camera steady and attaching it to different things easily. Even though action cameras usually struggle to take good pictures in the dark, there's hope that the new Hero 13 might do better with some new tech, like AI. By using AI to improve nighttime shots, it could make a big difference for all kinds of photography, not just action shots. Overall, people are looking forward to seeing what the new GoPro can do and hoping it'll make taking pictures and videos even more fun and easy. The GoPro Hero 13 2024 has the potential to transform the action camera landscape. If reports hold true, users can expect exceptional picture and video quality that captures every moment of their adventures, delivering stunning visuals that fully immerse viewers in the action. As anticipation and excitement among fans mount, we eagerly await the official announcement and confirmation of the GoPro Hero 13 2024 features.